It's been fantastic to receive an Honorary Doctor of Science degree today here at the university. It's very special to have an honorary degree in your own country. You can be honoured abroad, but when you're honoured at home, it really is something extremely emotional and very moving. And to share the day with all the other students, I almost felt as if I was a fraud. They've all worked so hard for their degrees. You could see the smiles on all their faces. Their families are so proud of what they've done, and rightly so. And for all of them, it's the beginning of doors opening from the education that they've had, the chances that this has given them. And for me personally, it's a wonderful way for me to also say thank you back to everybody, because I've had a fabulous career. I carry on having my career, but I've had it because I've been here in Wales, and it's been fantastic.